Hello, ang cute-cute naman. Hello. So cute. Hi. Naiinis ang aming baby, guys. Nagagas lang si Mister dito sa Morrison gas station din. Then, pupunta na kami ng Morrison para mag-shopping. Bibili lang kami ng kailangan, especially milk ng aming baby. Naiinis siya. Hi, bakit? Hello? Iinis. Ay, kita atay. Ang lamig. Whew. I told you, there's a chair. You're not listening. Ang lamig. Uy. What is that on top? It's so cold. She's looking at the camera. Wait. Corn. We can get that at Aldi, isn't it?
Yep.
Hello, little one. Oh, wait, someone is coughing.
Alright. Oh no.
We can get one. Yeah. Wait. Let me try this.
Other side of there. This is the blue side, you want the pink side.
Titingin na naman tayo, guys, ng damit ng baby para sa aming Ella pot. Masyado naman. Wala akong magustuhan. Parang hindi ko sila bet. Yeah, I don't think so. Wala akong magustuhan, guys. Parang mas gusto ko sa Mark and Spencer than white lang. White baby girl at Mark and Spencer. Other than here.
How many you want?
4 or 2 can... 2 will be fine. Ano, Coffee Mate, 350. Aray ka. 350 na yun. Candles. Walang number 3.
There's no number 3.
I would no. Don't see any number 3. Well, number 4. Pero in this lane.
Yeah.
No other color, only gold.
We found the 3, that's the main thing. We found one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's so hard to look for number 3. She likes it being here.
That's all I want.
Come. Aray ko.
Which ones do you want?
That one. Yeah, one only. How much if one? Yeah, I think one is enough. What is this?
Why don't we get
Giant squid.
two prawns and whatever else? Do you want the breaded ones? What else do you want? What else?
Okay. Hoy!
Oh.
Yeah. Think so. That one?
And if you that removes lime scale and everything. But it's got acid in it.
For the
You have to be
toilet
careful
bowl.
with it, yeah.
Get me another gloves then.
And everything?
Think so. Swimming.
One of the reasons I
She's been crying. Ang lamig.
over there in a minute.
The bread.
Yes.
Take out the bread. Sorry. Eh?
Convenient in the sense of
Lakad. Ay sus. Gagalit na. He's crying. She's crying. Whew. It's cold. Faster. She's na happy. Naiinis na. Aming baby. Hello? Iyak na siya eh. Naiyak na siya sa loob ng Aldi. Oh, lamig. Lamig sa labas. Bahay na kami guys. Ang gin-grocery lang namin ay good for 1 week. Aray ko. Ay! So, ito yung pinamili namin sa Morazon. Huh? Hello? Come here inside the kitchen. Pabila kong bagong slipper kay Mister. Pangit na kasi nung aking slipper. And then, Coffee Mate. Ang mahal ng Coffee Mate. Parang 350 something. So, ang pinamili namin ay good for 1 week na kasi ang pasok nga ni Mr. is Monday to Friday. Tsaka baby wipes. 4 ulit. So, baby essentials ang madalas namin binibili sa Morrison. So, milk, 1 box. Okay po. Tapos, kitchen and toilet cleaner. Ako'y natatamad maglinis ng toilet pag hindi maganda yung aming panlinis. Hi! Tapos, ito lang yung 3 for 10 pounds sa Morrison na seafood. Ano to? Ah, yung cake. Bumili ulit kami ng panghugas ng bottle. Wala kasing amoy ito. And then, candle for 3 months. Mag 3 months na ang aming baby. You have lots of chips. Daming biniling.
Christmas.
Oh, really? Ang daming chicheria. Chips.
Christmas dinner. Turkey and stuffing. What's our Christmas dinner?
And the other one is pig and blankets. The flavor, isn't it? Tapos bread. I like this, yeah. I didn't see the other type of the beans. The other one, but this is good also.
Lunch to their piece.
Yeah, they're piece, but they're fine. They are the same.
Hello.
So, bumili ulit ng lettuce. Ay, I didn't see anything. Any beans. The long
They've been
beans.
there. They'll be. I hope they tend to be up.
Yeah, I didn't look. I don't bother. Hello! She's listening. Bumili ulit kami ng lettuce. Then, asparagus, celery, tsaka spring onion. Iba na yung biscuit ni Mr. Bili si Mr. dalawang biscuit para sa kanyang baon. And then, chocolate. Hello? You okay? Then, onion. They're carrots. They're so small. They're tiny. Tiny carrots. Ang liliit ng carrots.
The time of year.
Huh?
The time of year.
That's why they're small?
Where they come from, yeah.
Baka kasi maybe because it's winter now. Nearly winter. Dalawang gloves.
So they're probably buying European or English carrots.
Yeah.
Yeah. During the growing season. Now they'll be getting them from somewhere south.
Bumili si Mr. ng ganito, yung instant food na nakakan. Mahilig siya sa ganito pag wala kaming maisip. Luto na lang siya ng ganyan. Ah, you're laughing? And then, Fairy fabric conditioner. One more. We have chicken breast. That's why I didn't get any chicken. So, kumuha lang ako ng minced pork at saka pork chops.
Okay.
Hello? That's it. So that's all what we got. Good for 1 week. The vegetables. Yeah. I'm not so sure about the vegetables. If they will be enough. Yeah. That's all we got. And then chips. You have 4 chips, mister. Hello?
So which one do you want to try? Piggy blanket or...
I think so. The flavor. Yeah, maybe.
We'll have one of each then. Okay, you open that one. Get one of those packets out. You don't
How
mix
many
it
in
into
there?
it.
1 Caesars.
Eh?
Caesars? Caesar.
Seesaw.
Caesar. Oh, ay, they are small. You're so excited to open it. How many? See? Look at that. You did not use scissors. Huh?
She kicked the bag while I was over it.
Oh, she kick it?
That's what happened. She kicked it. Well, she didn't really kick it, so we pushed it up. Put that one up. Oh,
Which one is best? Kaming chichiryang binili.
right. I don't know what's what, but I will want to taste. That's turkey. It tastes strong as stuffing.
This is nicer.
You're throwing your slippers
Pig and
away?
blankets. Huh?
You buy new slippers and you're throwing them away already?
Uh-oh. Okay. I'm gonna put this na in the freezer. It fits now. No big tummy.
The rest of the fish will go in the top.
Here's my hair. Hatiin lang natin to guys sa half-half. Ano na naman kaya ang i-dinner namin? Gamitin natin itong plastic na aking hinugasan nung nakaraan. Ay! Tsaka sa Asian shop dito, wala din ako nakikita na piatos na mga chips. Yun lang, boy, bawang at saka dindong ang madalas kong nabibili. Hatiin natin yung minced pork. So, kasya na to sa amin na pinag-grocery namin for 1 week. Sobra pa yan. Pero yung gulay, mabilis maubos kasi mahilig akong mag-ano ng gulay. Maglahok-lahok sa ulam. So, divide lang natin sa, sa to itong part. Masarap to kasi, panggisa-gisa ang pork. Meron ako sa rep. Hi. Is she crying?
No?
They don't have the old biscuit that you having.
The tonics, no.
No.
They've got in the one in Barnoldswick.
They have
No, they have the sign.
saying,
But there was no. What do you want this?
upstairs. Here first, I want to clean the toilet here. I'm so lazy to clean because I don't like the cleaner. The toilet cleaner we have there.
You like this one? I'll put it on the window. Okay?
Yeah, put it there. So I want to clean the toilet there.
It's on the window so you can find it.
Yeah. Tamad ko guys maglinis ng toilet pag hindi ko gusto ang cleaner. I don't like the cleaner there.
Have I got the same?
What's that?
Oh, no, I got kitchen cleaner. That's right. The mussels in there already.
Huh?
The Mr. Mussel is in there already. Kitchen cleaner.
Okay.
Because it's so nearly done.
Huh? Oh, I didn't know that we still have one on next year. Hi. She's watching you eating.
Oh, no.
You're eating, she's saying, and you're not giving me anything. She's not giving you anything.
These are just the pants and shorts, you know? Yeah. One spot was longer because we weren't moving the car and you were in the chair. No, we're not moving. Come on, I want to go.
Yeah, she's crying. This is nice with the tea, using for a tea, you know, with some tea. What is this? Celery? Yeah, I didn't get some potato because I know we still have some. Very little. I keep forgetting this because it's in here. I forgot to get some beef. Can get next time.
Yeah, I can always go tomorrow.
Yeah, but it's long way, you know.
Hmm?
It's very long way.
What?
Getting beef from Cone to
But
here.
if I put it in the boot
It's cold.
this time of year, makes no difference. It's so cold.
Anyway, yeah.
It's probably colder in the car than it is in the shop.
Ay,
And I don't get it in the morning. I buy it last thing at night.
yeah.
It's only in the car for 45, 50 minutes.
So, yun lang muna, guys. I'm done. And then, yun lang yun. Yung pinamili namin, good for 1 week. That's it muna. Yung mga kan, ilalagay ko lang sa cabinet. Ito yung mga ready to eat na. Okay. Lagay ko pala sa ref to. Hindi ako makapag-upload, guys, ng everyday kasi nga may baby ako. Hindi ko siya minsan maisingit ng pag-edit. So, yun lang muna. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.